Ever wondered what goes into building a 3-bedroom American home from the ground up? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome back to this channel and join us as we take you through this exciting tour of the charming 3-bedroom American home that Ujenzi today is currently building in Migori County. Let's explore the layout of this beautiful home, designed to offer comfort and crafted to meet the needs of a modern family. From the cozy bedroom to the perfect backyard retreat, stay tuned to see how this space is designed for modern living and comfort. As we take a look around, let's break down the layout and the design elements that are commonly found in homes across the United States. From the video, you can see the exterior of this Migori house followed what Americans generally tend to favor. That is a simple and functional roof design, especially for residential homes. That includes bungalows. The trend towards simplicity often emphasizes practicality, ease of maintenance, and cost effectiveness. Simple sloped roofs are practical for shedding rain or snow during winter. Remember, also, the more corners you have for your house, the more valleys and hips for your roof, and this comes with an extra cost. The most common roof styles in American homes that includes bungalows is the gable roof, characterized by its simple two sloping sides that forms a triangle. Americans also prefer hip roof, but with four or few sloping sides. Americans like it simple, effective, and elegant. American homes often follow a spacious, open concept design with distinct zones for living, working, and relaxing. Here, we see the framework for a traditional 3-bedroom American house, but floor plans can vary from one cozy house to another. As we step through the front door, we enter into the foyer, a welcoming space that connects the outside world to the cozy interior of the home. This area is perfect for hanging up coats or dropping off shoes, providing a practical entryway into the rest of the house. Again, this is the open veranda, the front porch that leads us into the main entry. The main entry, we have the foyer. Directly ahead is the living room. Then on the left, we have our first bedroom that is perfect for children or guests. It is designed with plenty of natural light and generous space for storage. The room is very versatile as it can also serve as a home office because it's facing the front side of the house. Americans' homes are all about maximizing space, and this room is no exception. Next, we go to the shared bathroom that is very functional, straightforward, with practical layouts that accommodates a toilet, a shower cubicle, and a large vanity with enough storage space. Next, we move to the second bedroom, which is similarly spacious and flexible. Whether it's for a child or a guest, this bedroom still provides ample storage space and comfort. Let's head back to the foyer, the main foyer. That's the main entrance. Then on the left, as you're seeing, that's still the front side of the house. Then ahead is the living room. Then we move on the right. As you can see, this is a two-car garage. As you can see, spacious enough for 2 vehicles. Then next to the garage, we have the laundry. This laundry room is a functional space used for washing, drying, and organizing clothes. Here we'll have a countertop for ironing and folding clothes. It also has space for a washer, a dryer, and on top of that, a splash area for hand washing, and storage space for cleaning products and clothes. It's a practical space designed for convenience and efficiency. Now let's go to the main room. At the end of the hallway is the master bedroom, a true retreat for the homeowners. The master bedroom is larger than the others, with ample space for a king-size bed and additional furniture. This is the walk-in closet of the master bedroom, and typical of American walk-in closet, normally they don't have a window so as to maximize on the storage space. Excuse me for the mess that you are seeing, because as I told you, the house is still under construction, but as you can see, the room is quite spacious. This is the ensuite master bathroom, which will feature modern fixtures with a dual vanity, a large walk-in shower, and a bathtub. Though under construction, as you can see the plumbers doing their work, it's clear that the bathroom will be a luxurious space to unwind in. Let's move on to the next space. This is our entry, this is our foyer. Now we enter into the main room. This room is designed for comfort and family togetherness. As you can see, the large windows that we've placed, that is the external door leading to the backyard. Then here we have the dining area. Then next to the dining area, we have the kitchen. As you can see, this is where we're going to have the kitchen. We have the cabinet. We have points for the fridge, points for the cooker and the sink. This is our pantry, a small pantry that we have there. The American style. Note that the American, most of their pantry is just a small walk-in space. As you can see, it's a one large living space. Americans love the open space living. In this house, just like in many American homes, we design the open style living to create a sense of spaciousness and fluidity between the three living areas: the kitchen, the dining room, and the lounge, combining them into one large open space, making the home feel airy and interconnected. This encourages social interaction and convenience, with no walls or barriers separating the rooms. In the kitchen, we also have designed an island cabinet with an additional storage workspace that will create good functionality and style. This island cabinet will act as a divider between the kitchen and the dining area, but also will provide a surface where quick bites like breakfast or meals can be taken from, with high level stools by the sides to use. We now go out to the backyard. As you can see, this is our backyard. One thing that is common in the Americans' home is that their backyard is very treasured, and that's where they do most of their private activities. This backyard is spacious, providing plenty of room for outdoor activities, whether it's a place for kids to play, hosting barbecues, or simply enjoying the outdoor activities. The backyard is a key part of an American home overall design. It is often seen as an extension of the living room, offering a space for relaxation, recreation, or even gardening. Now, let us look at the key difference between American houses and Kenyan houses. Now, the one you're seeing in front of you, that is the front part of the house. It means that is where the car park is, and that's where we have the front entry. But it doesn't lead into the living room directly. It leads into a foyer that connects to other rooms. While in Kenya, most of our front entrance leads into the living room directly. The room you are seeing on your left, that is the first bedroom. So it means it's the one that is acting as a children's room, or it can also be an home office since it's next to the road. While for Kenyans, most of the master bedrooms are the ones that are facing the front side and the ones that are facing the road. The master bedroom for the American houses are normally facing the backyard or away from the main road, as opposed to our Kenyan's master bedroom. For Americans, the design involves two doors. One is in the front, and the other one is at the back, like the one you're seeing there. That is the back porch that leads into the backyard. So it means that generally, if the visitors are to enter this house, This is actually the official door that they're supposed to use, because this one leads this one leads directly into the living room. For us also, we normally have two doors, the front and the back. But as you are aware, most of the back door are normally connected to the kitchen. So it means that the back door is directly connected to the kitchen. Of course, we have our own reason for that, especially when you are cooking and doing stuff away from the living room. The Americans, the kitchen doesn't have a door. Simply because it's an open style living. So this one door that is at the backyard is the one that is serving the kitchen, the dining, and the lounge. The Americans also treasure their hallway so much. So the entry foyer, then a big hallway. This gives or provides space for furniture like console table or artwork to be displayed on the hallway. Large hallway also can make it easier for movement of large items like furniture and appliances, etc., throughout the house. Though there are still a lot of work ahead, you can already see how this house is taking shape. It's a perfect balance of functionality, style, and modern living, designed to grow with your family for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this construction tour. This is Ujenzi Today for all your construction needs, from inception to completion. Subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.